Good day to all. Today our topic is augmented reality in manufacturing. Myself, Dr. B. Suresh Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Here, what is augmented reality? It bridges the gap between real world into virtual world. The reality world means what we are seeing in front of us as the physical quantity or physical structures, which is the real world. We can bridge the gap between the imagery that are generated by the utilization of computer, okay, which is virtual reality. We can bridge the gap, we connect those things with each other, we may create the augmented reality world. And we can generate the, and also we can combine real objects to virtual ones in real environment, also possible with the augmented reality classes. And these can be done with the computing devices. Visual perception of the physical real world environment is enhanced by means of computing devices. Computing devices means our mobile phones, tab, laptops, and other devices, computing devices, we can utilize for generating the imaginary world. And how this augmented reality is works in manufacturing area. Augmented reality is the technique which permits the real world background by the aid of computer generated objects. Here, the raw material in manufacturing industries, generally input is the raw material and output is the finished product. Okay, so we can convert the raw material into finished product with the aid of augmented reality. How we can see here, function of augmented reality in manufacturing world, the digital information connects the physical manufacturing world. Okay, and generally augmented reality can gives you a data. What are all the data? For example, I consider the robot means robot plays inside the manufacturing plant. Okay, so that I can collect the data of robot movement inside the plant through augmented reality, and also force excited on the products. For example, if you are consider the bolt, I mean bulb, from on the bulb, how much of force I can exert. Okay, from augmented reality generated computer images, I can apply the force with the robot arm. From this, when the bulb is broken out, likewise I can measure through the virtual images, this which is known as augmented reality. From this I can collect how much of force I exerted on the body, and also how the robot movements happening inside the plant. Likewise, I collect the data, not only robot, I can collect the information with respect to machine also. Okay, and then need of augmented reality in industries. Why we need augmented reality? It helpful for improving the work procedure. Okay, it will reduces the or avoids the errors happening inside the lab, industry shop floor from human movements. Okay, and also it helps to make a decision in cost wise and design wise. In lot of areas it helps to decision making process. And technologies that are related to augmented reality, it started from interaction technologies. Okay, because computer devices we can utilize for generate the augmented reality world inside the shop floor, so that interaction technologies may come with the touch screen, and also the artificial intelligence techniques, which is speech recognition. From this we can communicate from one device to another device. And also AR markers, already you are aware about barcode technology, and also scan with the QR code. Likewise, lot of technologies you are aware, so that AR augmented reality also follows some of these kind of markers. And displays and hologram technologies. Nowadays laptops are for manufactured with the hologram technology. From this hologram technology we can imagine the objects, and also we can create the imagination objects with the aid of screens. For example, if you are consider the PUBG game, in PUBG game they are placing head mounted devices and glasses for actuating your sensors with the games. Likewise, you may utilize the hologram technologies, and then mobile devices. We can utilize the mobile devices for communicating your concepts to machines through Wi-Fi technology, and also cloud computing. You may process the data with the aid of cloud computing technologies. After that, tracking technologies. How do I track my robot? Because robot path planning we can computed with this augmented reality, so that GPS, RFID and infrared LEDs can be used as a tracking technologies inside of the augmented reality. Okay, and then augmented reality in manufacturing. How the augmented reality is utilized? AR can be used in product design. Here you see the designer can see with the augmented head class the turbine blades or impeller blades with the shaft. From this, he can evaluate the performance of his designed blades with the real-time machine, so that he can examine his imaginary blades with the real-time environment, which is the one of the important application of augmented reality in product design. And then production planning and spatial organization also can be conducted with the augmented reality, because we can plan the production. How do I move the job from one mission to another mission? How it tracks should be. Likewise, I analyze with the augmented reality concepts. Finally, I can utilize augmented reality in assembly also. How the tire available with the car, it represents as an image. From this, how do I assemble the components? How the bolts and the nuts acted with each other. Likewise, you may create the imaginary figures with the augmented reality, and also you examine the components. Limitations available with the current computer aided design. Why we go for augmented reality? What is the current limitations are available? Not easy to fully and accurately model the actual working environment. So we can design the actual working environment with augmented reality concepts as like imaginary computer generated objects. So we can get the clear idea of objects to be manufactured and to be assembled, and also how its performance is to be. Likewise, we may analyze. And real-time applications of artificial intelligence in industries. Industrial applications of augmented reality are transforming the way new products are designed, bringing new possibilities. And computer simulations provide a better insight into the behavior of materials and also equipment in the real world. How designers utilizes AR concepts in design. Augmented reality is a view of the real physical world in which users find elements enhanced by a computer generated objects or input. Designers create inputs ranging from sound to video. For example, if you are consider equalizer, the sound pulses maybe we can visualize with the visual medium available with the tape recorder and visual communication. I mean VCD player, VCD players. Okay, and then to graphics to GPS overlays and more. In digital content that responds in real time to changes in the user's environment. Usually movement. Movement means robotic movement from one place to another place, and autonomous guided vehicle from one place to another place we can track with the augmented reality concept. And also we can utilize this concept for product design and the prototyping. We already virtual technology is available. From that we can reduce the time and the cost, but it has problem like data is scaled down in size and not in accurate reflection. Data skewed from virtual environment. So the spatial augmented reality helps ensure the data is visualized with the actual proportion and size, access the data more effectively by the designer. Shows virtual data on real model, which combines virtual data with the real environment. So we can interpret how the virtual objects acted with the real environment. And artificial intelligence, we can utilize we can utilize augmented reality in training and assembly also. In previous issues, time spent in forming or and the possibilities of making errors during the training period. With augmented reality, we can reduce the time to form the team and the cost, and also real-time data for reduction of errors, and also devices like smart glasses enables hand-free work because hand-mounted glasses from under touch screen helps to reduce the hand work. Okay, and the building process with the augmented reality, which is one of the important example. We can replace our hand shield with the augmented reality glass. It automatically dim a panel in front of the user's eyes with the sensors nowadays available. Do not work well caused by low contrast ratio of human eye. But with the augmented reality mask, we can identify welding apparatus, welding point, and molten metal, and we can see the metal solidification process after molten metal pool, how the solidification starts and how the welding droplets or drops on the workpiece area. Likewise, we can see with the augmented reality glasses how the drops are transferred from electrode to workpiece through arc. Likewise, we can visualize because which is very much of helpful in welding research. And augmented reality mask identify welding apparatus and the welding point and the molten metal, and also assist display help the welder keep the joint in view easy using temperatures and the best fit scenarios to make sure that it welds properly. And also the welding is the process, and also we can utilize this augmented reality for production planning and spatial organization, which is related to ergonomics. The previous issues, manual planning is complex and a time consuming process. With the spatial augmented reality, physical production environment superimposed with the virtual planning objects, and the planning task can be validated without modeling the surroundings. We can validate the surroundings with the aid of augmented reality. How it performs, we can look with the virtual images with the real environment. Okay, which is highly immersive and intuitive environment to evaluate the virtual prototype of new product designs or assemble sequence, reduce redesigning and replanning activities. We can generate the prototype also with the augmented reality concepts, so that from the augmented reality product we can collect the feedback of product and idea generated product performance. Then 7 ways augmented reality in manufacturing industries are if we are utilizing augmented reality, the work should be faster, solve daily shop floor problems, and also access data easily, cut down on maintenance time, reduce production time, prevent errors, use it training. Okay, and then benefits of augmented reality in industry 4, because by the utilization of augmented reality, we can speed up industrial operations, increase production process efficiency, and reduce error occurrence. Okay, the factory of the future maybe with the augmented reality concepts. From this, we can control total industry from designing to assembly. And then here the operator measures the produced product with the virtually developed measuring instruments, and also then the pump motor casing he assemble virtually with the real environment. After that, he designs the doll with the aid of SolidWorks and also with the head mounted augmented reality glass. It helps her to design easily. And assembly of engine with the augmented reality. Here you see the engine body is available, but the top cover is the virtual image, so that the operator can visualize the object with the real environment and the virtual objects. Virtual objects means computer generated object. We can perform the assembly operations and inspect the assembly operation with the virtual image available with the augmented reality. We can visualize the virtual object with the aid of head mounted augmented reality glasses. Okay, and then Thank you. If you are having any doubt about augmented reality, you may ask through comment box. Thank you all.